Hi, Nicole here. Today we're going to talk to you about bearing components utilized in a variety of different robotic applications, including, but not limited to, AGVs, delivery robots, service robots, grippers, end effectors, as well as battery charging stations, for example. The list is really endless. Some of the benefits to using igus bearings include the fact that they're maintenance-free due to their dry running properties. There's no need for any external lubrication. In addition to that, they're completely dry running, as well as lightweight and corrosion resistant. Let's take a look. First up, we have our Eyeglide bearings. Eyeglide bearings traditionally come in sleeve, flange, or thrust washers in over 55 different materials depending on your application requirements. Since we started with this product line, however, it's evolved significantly. So now we have a lot of different options, including a lot of different ways to get you custom parts, and including our newest product offering, which is our gears. We have gears available to you in 600 different standard catalog sizes, but we're also happy to either 3D print or machine from our bar stock or our plate stock for different options. All of these offer the same exact benefits that we just talked about. We also have the option in our additive manufacturing for any type of prototyping or custom parts to be able to do a couple of different things. First up, we can use our SLS print service, which means you'll get parts in 2 to 3 business days located right here in Rhode Island. We also have very wear-resistant filament available to you if you have an FDM printer, or we can do what we call print to mold. So our print to mold system means that we're using our additive manufacturing technology to print a mold and then go ahead and get you injection molded parts using one of those materials that we spoke about for Eyeglide previously. Next up, we have our tribo tape, plate stock, and bar stock available. These can be ordered as is in a variety of different materials, diameters, or thicknesses. Our tribo tape can also be ordered with or without adhesive, or they can be cut into custom shapes for you. Let's take a look at some other products we have. Next up, another product that we offer that's commonly used in robotic applications include our igus spherical bearings. Our igus spherical bearings allow for any type of misalignment, and they're fantastic in robotic applications, also dry running and corrosion resistant. Now let's move on to our Zyros ball bearings. Our Zyros ball bearings are meant for applications with really high speeds but lower loads, and they're perfect in different applications with a variety of different materials. Next up, we have our PRT slewing rings. Our PRT slewing rings come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, as well as gear and belt profiles available to help drive them. These are commonly used at the bottom of a robotic arm, for example, for rotational movement. And now I'm going to pass it off to Matt, who's going to go over some drylin linear components used in robotics.
Hi, Matt Mowry here today to talk about drylin. That's igus line of dry running linear bearings. Some of the biggest benefits for robotics applications are the fact that drylin is extremely lightweight, very quiet, corrosion free, and require no maintenance. Let's start by taking a look at drylin W, which is our flagship series. It's available in both single and double rail series. The single rail series allows you the flexibility to mount rails, position them as needed for your application. The double rail series comes in multitude of widths and allows for easier assembly. These are based on aluminum guide rails, but also offered in stainless from size 16 to 25 millimeter. We have a line of both miniature and standard series profile guides we call drylin T, dimensionally interchangeable with some series of linear ball bearings. Again, relying on aluminum guide rails, very lightweight and very quiet. All right, drylin R is our round shaft guide series, dimensionally interchangeable with linear ball bearings, both inch and metric. Like all the product lines, heavily reliant on aluminum as a guide shaft material, but also available with carbon fiber if you're looking for extreme lightweight, and stainless steel for corrosion resistance. This is one of my favorite product lines. We call it drylin N. It's our low profile series and is our go-to for applications requiring extremely compact linear bearings. From then on, we're going to move into what we call dryspin. Dryspin is our line of dry running, lubrication-free lead screw systems. Dryspin itself is a high helix system. It's world-class in its efficiency as well as its wear resistance. The screws don't require any special coatings and the nuts don't require any special lubrication. We also offer trapezoidal as well as acme geometries in these shapes. All right, we've seen some of our linear bearing components, we've seen some of our lead screws, but igus also offers a full line of actuators, not only based on the lead screws, but also belt-driven systems and gear racks. These can be purchased individually or coupled together in a complete gantry system. We offer motors, we offer drives. Other robotic components that we have you might be interested in for your build would be worm gears, strain wave gears, other types of rotary type systems. Should also mention that all of the igus products have lifetime calculators and application tools which will help you spec them into your application. To check out more, to learn more about how igus can help you in your robotic application, please check out the website below or call us for more information.